Today's story is Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. And this story is by James Dean. Let's see what happens. Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. Have you ever gotten hiccups before? I sure have, and they're not a lot of fun sometimes. Hiccup! Oh no! Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup! 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 How do you stop the hiccups? Hiccup! Hiccup! Pete asked Grumpy Toad, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Grumpy Toad. "You stand on one foot." Do you think that'll take away your hiccups? Let's see. Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup! Oh no, it didn't go away. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Callie, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Callie. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down." Would that work now? Let's see. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Bung, 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 bung. Hiccup, hiccup. Oh, Pete still has the hiccups. That didn't work either. Pete asked Gus, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Gus. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song." Ooh, maybe that will work. Let's see. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings a song. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Oh, Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Bob, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Bob. Ooh, maybe he has a better idea. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly," says Bob. Pete does it. All those things. Let's see if it works. Hiccup! Oh, he fell into the water. Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. "Go ask Mom," says Bob. Maybe Mom has the answer to that one. Pete asks Mom, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Mom. "You take a deep breath." Pete takes a deep breath. "Hold your breath and blow it out," says Mom. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. "That's it?" Pete asked. "That's it," says Mom. Pete waits, and he waits, and he waits. Maybe it works. The hiccups are gone! Moms are so smart. And we all say, the end. I hope you enjoyed this Pete the Kitty story. Have a great day.